Hi friends! So today I'm going to be doing a little art project with some paint, and I don't have any paintbrushes, or at least any regular paintbrushes. So today I'm going to be going into my backyard to make my own paintbrushes. So keep watching.
So I put some paint swatches on a poster board, and I have another piece of paper where I'm going to paint. So what I'm going to do next is take a pair of scissors, and I'm going to head outside to my backyard. So I found these flowers, and I'm going to use my scissors to cut a piece. Next, I'm going to cut a little bunch of grass using my scissors. I also spotted this yellow flower that I'm going to cut. So because it's going to be hard to grab onto the grass and the leaves to paint, I'm going to use the Q-tips and rubber bands to attach them together. So there we go. It's going to be a lot easier for us to hold on to them when we want to paint. And the last step is to paint. Let's see the different kind of markings our nature items will make.